May I suggest, Mr. Chair, Madam Chair, na dito po sa modernization, isama rin po natin, hindi lang sa land, but also sa maritime. Nang sa ganon, mas maging efficient at multimodal yung ating transportation. While waiting for the flagship projects, let's not forget, and Senator Loren is an expert on this, na we have natural infrastructure readily available for utilization. For example, the Pasig River, na nandyan na, kailangan lang natin i-utilize. Manila Bay, nandyan na, kailangan lang natin i-utilize. These are the less beaten path as opposed to the overly beaten path where we do our skyway, railway, subway. We build on top of each infrastructure. Ito po yung less beaten path which we can utilize immediately, natural infrastructure, na kapag i-combine lang natin yung land and maritime, pwede po natin mapakinabangan.